If you found us from an online search, you came to the right place. Please give us 2 minutes to explain why.
Or you need to get a haircut, even if you haven't had a date in longer than you'd like to admit, or you seem to date all the wrong guys, or the guys you go out with are commitment phobic. Even if the guy you're seeing has the reputation of being a player, all that is about to change. I'm going to show you how to meet and transform that one special guy you've been dreaming of into the man of your dreams that wants to be with you and only you. How to make him fall deeply, passionately in love with you. Make him so addicted to you, he can't bear to be away from you. That he's obsessed with the idea of being with you, and he can't stop talking about you and your future together. Hi, this is David Weigand. Whether you've seen me on MTV, E! Entertainment, CBS News, NBC, ABC, Fox, or a myriad of other TV shows, or you've read my books, blogs, articles, or interviews in magazines or websites. For nearly 20 years, I've been helping men and women all over the world that want to transform their love lives and have the courage to take action. And I do that for the simple reason that it's my passion. Right now I'm going to tell you the 3 reasons why you're alone, why you give your heart away and keep getting hurt by men, why you haven't met the one, why you're destined to make these same mistakes over and over again unless you take action today, right now. And it has nothing to do with how beautiful you are.
A, not your fault, and B, totally normal. I'm going to tell you exactly what's been keeping you down, how to break out of the rut and fire up your love life forever. More about that in a minute. Most of you know me as the super successful star of The Millionaire Matchmaker, and from the outside, my life looks like fun and glamorous. What you don't know is that my personal life hasn't been nearly as smooth or successful as my professional one. Actually, it hasn't been.
For more information, please click the link below or give us a call.